The best part for me about owning an EV is really the convenience. It's such a low maintenance car, and again, you never have to stop at a gas station. It's just that peace of mind of knowing that there's very few things in the car that could break down and not really having to worry about taking it to a shop to get repairs.
My favorite feature of this car is that it feels like a car. It's very spacious on the inside. Even my husband, he's over 6 foot, and he can sit in the back and his head doesn't touch the roof, so it's very spacious for us.
One of the great things about owning an EV is that you don't need to make any special electrical upgrades to your house. Any EV can charge in a standard outlet at your house, but you do have to be careful if you have needs where you're driving a lot during the day. You may need to upgrade to a faster charge.